This is some more answers to the practice review for the test on Wednesday. Tamara walks a lap of the track. She counts 70 heartbeats in 30 seconds. What is her heartbeat per minute? Well, we're trying to find beats per minute, and that is a rate. They give us the information that she actually has 70 heartbeats in 30 seconds. And that is not a minute, but we can work with it. Okay, so we know that 30 seconds is half a minute. So we can rewrite the 30 seconds as 0.5 minutes. So we go 70 beats over 0.5 minutes. And our last step is to take the 70 beats divided by the 0.5 minutes to get our beats per minute. And when you divide 70 by 0.5, try punching that into your calculator, you're going to get 140 beats per minute. So the answer is C, 140 beats per minute. Question 5. Cherish races 3,000 meters on the track. She counts 190 heartbeats after 1 minute. So let's look at that. We've got a rate there of 190 beats per minute. They want to know, what is her heart rate per second? Well, we can write 190 beats per minute as 190 beats per 60 seconds. And now we have the capability of finding the beats per second just by punching in 190 divided by 60. Okay, so go ahead, pull out your calculators and give that a try. You've got lots of time because I'm bringing up my own calculator. Okay, like I always say, you guys want to be attempting to do these on a calculator. When you get to EQAO, you will have to use a calculator. You will not be able to use an iPod, and you want to be practiced with your calculator. So you punch in 190 divided by 60, and that's a pretty quick heart rate. Working out will do that to your heart rate. So she has a heart rate of 3.166, and the sixes are repeated beats per minute. Okay, and you'll notice that our units that we have in the answer are actually our equation. So we just take our number of beats and divide it by the minutes. If we wanted to round that off, we could round it off to 3.2 beats per minute, because the 6 after the 1 is bigger than the number 5. So the 1 is rounded up to the number 2. So the answer is A, 3.2 beats per minute. Now let's look at question 6. This is a little bit more complicated. It says a store gives reward points for every dollar spent. The number of reward points varies directly with the total amount spent. Alex spends $200 and receives 10 reward points. Well, let's see what that looks like. $200 and per 10 points. And Tamara spends $120. She receives reward points at the same rate as Alex. So we need to see what her rate in dollars per point is. So we could do it vice versa. We could do points per dollar, whatever. So we take 200 and we divide it by the number 10. And we find that we're working backwards here. We're going to be getting $20 spent will give you 1 point, is the rate that Alex is spending at. Now Tamara spends $120. And they want to know if for every $20 she spends, she gets 1 point Oh, we're back into ratios again, or equivalent fractions. So for every dollar she spends, she gets 1 point. They want to know the unknown. How many points is she going to get? Well, there's a number of ways you can do this, one being opposite operations, or you can cross multiply. To make it quick and easy, I'm going to cross multiply. So 120 times 1 point is going to give us $120. And then 20 times x is 20x. Now, opposite operations, we're multiplying x by the number 20. The opposite operation to do is divide by 20. And we need to do that to both sides. So we divide both sides by 20. We're going to go up here. Our 20s cancel out at the bottom. So you're left with x equals, and this is 100 divided by 20. You punch that into your calculator. 120 divided by 20. And you'll get 6 points. So Tamara got 6 points. Alex got 10 points. The question is, how many more reward points will Alex receive? So you had to read that last bit of questions. Well, we've got Alex's 10 points. Take away 6 points that Tamara got. And so Alex receives 4 more points. So you don't see the multiple choice answers here, but the answer, whichever is the 4 is your answer.